Get acquainted with the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get the best of quality, comfort, and convenience in this family-friendly Sonata. This stylish midsize four-door sedan offers the advanced safety features, smooth performance, and passenger amenities you need to make every drive pure pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.